We're in this great resignation where what we can see is that people are following their passions much more than they're wanting to work in corporate environments. But that's not what everyone has to really take. What we can find, what we see is that actually we can keep our staff motivated. We can, find those pitfalls in the recruitment process. We can take our teams from passive and siloed to really engaged and collaborative. If we really think about people and we really have empathy for those people. Are finding the flexibility of working from home, the flexibility of being able to run out during the middle of the day, that's actually really important. And they're finding their way of having much more of a work-life balance than they did when they were commuting into an office. So many people are also seeing that they don't, that not going into that office just means that they can be themselves much more, and they don't have to kind of dress up or be somebody or kind of fit into a context that maybe just isn't really them. And they can have a much better, as I said, quality of life. And they don't want to give that up. And so it's not just, as you say, people graduates coming out of school. Absolutely, those graduates coming out of school do want a flexible kind of working environment. But it's almost like I believe that's the future of work. I believe that's the mindset shift that we all need to make as employers. Is thinking about how does that mean we can get the best out of people? If that's the baseline, we need to offer flexible work, which is exactly what happens. We're finding that anytime we're doing recruitment, the first thing people are asking is, do I need to go into an office, or can I work flexibly? So if that's the baseline of work, how do we make sure that we get the best out of our teams? How do we make sure that they can work in the way that they want to, and we still, as companies, get what we need out of it? No matter what, it's always a value exchange, and that's something that I think we can absolutely make happen. One of the things that I'll talk about in my presentation is genuinely how we can get those teams to engaged and collaborative, how we can have empathy for teams, and how we can empower them to lift up and actually find proper motivation in the jobs that they're doing now, in the environments that they're doing now. What I find is that's really helping to keep teams and retain teams in a way that I can absolutely share and you can take on.